So here we are, it's the holidays. And you know what, while we're out there doing everything that we're going to do normally, I want you to consider something. Those digital inspections that we keep talking about. Those digital inspections hopefully have made a positive impact in your business. Well, those digital inspections can make a positive impact on your customers too. And you know what? They don't only have to be built for cars and trucks and things of that sort. So watch this video and see we've built one for something else. Happy holidays. Thanks for calling JB Automotive. How may I help you? Hello, JB Automotive.
Oh, wait a moment. I love those kids, but boy, do I hate that ball game. Let me move to a quieter place.
Okay, who's calling?
It's Chris Kringle. I got the digital inspection of the sleigh on my phone. I'm trying to get in some last-minute relaxation before the big night.
You mentioned the digital inspection we sent you.
This is really great. I'm relaxing by the pool and looking at my sleigh as if I was actually in the shop waiting for it and see what was checked. It has plenty of pictures and descriptions. The inspection shows everything is good and ready to go, right?
Yes, sir. We top off the blinker fluid so Rudolph is ready to light the way and service the runners. But I was also wondering if you'd explain the pictures of the cars underneath the sleigh. You know, it kind of looks like how pilots used to mark the number of kills they had.
Yeah, well, the deer get a little bit antsy at this time of the year. I caught Dasher and Dancer starting out in front of cars and flying away at the last minute, scaring the wits out of drivers. Those pictures represent the cars that they ran off the road. Silly reindeer game. Anyway, can I pay now and send some elves over to pick up the sleigh later?
Certainly. You know, just give me a few moments and I'll send the payment request right to your phone.
There, payment made. Wow, wait. Where's my frequent flyer discount? Are you looking for coal in your stocking this year, JB?
No, I'm sorry. Let me adjust the payment with the discount right away. Adjust it. Sorry about that.
That's okay. Digital inspection, quick payments are the way. Wow. Look for a couple extra 10mm sockets in your stocking this year. Ho, ho, ho. Happy holidays to everyone and digital inspections for all.
Reindeer games, you know what? Never thought of it that way. But anyway, so one of the things I want to bring to your attention is that inspection that was built for Santa's sleigh. I advise you to go back and take a look, because when you see what I did with that inspection, maybe it's going to give you an idea how you can build different inspections for your shop. So that's my gift to you, and happy holidays to all of you that are watching this.